They say the eyes are the window to the soul. Do you believe that? They say there are more stars in the universe than there are grains of sand in all the beaches in all the world. What do you believe? Why do you believe that? And based upon the meaning that you give this life, you start to live it out. You start to live your story. And in that story, you start to give yourself a title. The title that I give myself is dad, uncle, friend. In the business world, it's branding mentor, coach's coach, speaker, author. But that's not who I am. That's just how I express who I am. Who I am is who I am. So who are you? How do you lead your life? I believe you're a leader. And every leader has 3 stories. First, it's the story of the past. How did you grow up? Who was around you? Who we are is based upon all the experiences that we've been through. Those experiences define us. Or you can define yourself through your experiences. And through those experiences, we've been influenced. And how we have been influenced is usually how we influence other people. So if you want to influence more, you have to allow yourself to be influenced. Next is the story of the future. Based upon your meaning of the past, the meaning of life, and the identity you give yourself, all mixed in with your experiences through your mind, body, and spirit, then creates the story you tell yourself about the future. We project the story of the past into the future. Based around our meaning that we give life, based upon how we identify ourselves. And that story gives light to the story you live each and every day. The life we live today first started with a vision. And finally, the story of the past and the story of the future now creates the story that we live every single day. They call it the present. It's a gift. And I believe the gift that we have is our experiences. Your experiences make a great story, and you need to share that. You should be inspired. The word inspire is a Latin root word for meaning in spirit. And when you're inspired, that in spirit feeling lifts you. The greatest gift I feel like we have in this world is our experiences. You are the gatekeeper to your mind. You're the leader of your body. And you're the captain of your soul. Be inspired.